With over 3 billion people active on social media, the potential to grow your Shopify store through targeted ads is immense. In this video, we'll cover how you can leverage these ads to grow your subscription base. Get ready to learn strategies that would work. Paid advertising on social media offers a powerful tool to reach broader audience, drive that traffic to your website, and convert them to your subscribers. It involves paying to display your ad or sponsored content on social media platforms. Unlike organic posts, targeted ads will help you reach users that don't follow your brand, helping you reach wider audiences and increasing your chance to get new subscribers. It could be in various formats like videos, images, carousels, or stories, depending on your platform. Using social media ads for your Shopify store brings several key benefits. First, it helps you reach highly targeted audience. Social media platforms offer detailed targeting options based on demographics, behavior, interest, or even actions on your website. This would ensure that your ads are seen by users who are more likely to be interested in your products and your subscription services. Second, paid ads, unlike building an organic presence, can bring immediate results. This is particularly helpful for Shopify stores who are just starting out and want to create a customer base. And finally, social ads can bring measurable results. There are key metrics that you can follow for your campaigns like impressions, conversions, or returns on ad spent to evaluate how well your campaigns are doing and make data-driven decisions. Now let's look at some of the most popular platforms for running ads and how they can benefit your Shopify store. Facebook and Instagram allows for highly detailed audience targeting, making them effective for reaching specific demographic and interest groups. Their ads can appear in users' news feeds, stories, explore pages, and even as shoppable posts. With approximately 1.6 billion daily clicks on ads for these social media platforms, they provide a robust opportunity to drive traffic and conversion to your store. TikTok ads leverage the platform's sophisticated algorithm to push content to users based on their interest. With over 1 billion monthly active users and the average user spending about 52 minutes per day on the app, TikTok offers a substantial opportunity for merchants to create viral and engaging content. With over 450 million monthly active users, Pinterest provides a unique opportunity for visual advertising. Promoted pins blend seamlessly with organic content, allowing ads to feel less intrusive and more engaging. Pinterest ads are more effective to target users who are in their discovery and exploration phase of their shopping journey, helping them to convert to your products. By understanding the benefits of each social media platform, you can choose the one that aligns more with your target audience and help you reach your marketing goals. Creating effective ad campaigns involves more than just selecting your social media platform or setting a budget. You need to craft compelling ads that drives attention. Let's break it down. First step, like any other process, is defining your objective. What do you want to get from these ads? Maybe you want to increase your awareness or have more people come to your website. Clear, specific goals will guide your ad creation process. As I mentioned before, one of the biggest advantages of these social media platforms is their specific targeting. Before creating any ad copy, creating up calendars, or defining marketing goals, you need to understand who exactly is the target of these ads. These platforms will help you pin down based on demographic, behavior, or interest so that your ads can be shown to those who are genuinely interested in your products. In this segment, we will walk through a detailed step-by-step creation process of Facebook ad campaign. Let's get to it. Before creating your ad, you need to set up a Facebook ad account. If you already have a Facebook page for your Shopify store, you're halfway there. Just visit business.facebook.com and log in with your credentials, provide some basic information about your business, and that's it. Creating a Facebook ad can be sophisticated and a professional skill. Here I'm just going to go over some of the basic features that Facebook provides for you in order to create an ad and how you can leverage those to create a primary ad for your business. For that, let's just go to the ads section of the Facebook panel, which is here. When you go in, there is a button for creating an ad on top right. Let's just click on that. The first step here is to define your campaign objective. The objective will guide Facebook in optimizing your ad for specific goals. Let's go with the recommended one, which is getting more messages. You will arrive on a page like this. On top, you can change the objective again if you want to, but let's go with this one. One thing you can do is that you can use the previous content you already posted on Instagram or Facebook and boost those images or videos. But the other way is to create an ad from scratch. I already selected the image that I wanted to show for, which is right here. Now I can write a headline and description for that. As we talked about a couple of times before, headlines and descriptions are things that you can test over and over. Here I'm just going to put an example headline and description for the ad that I want to use for flowers. Let's try something out. One thing is that you can see the preview of your ad on the right at all times, and the headline and description would be shown the way that it will be shown to your potential customers. Now let's see what other options Facebook provides us for the ad creation process. Most of the options that Facebook provides are toggled on, and it doesn't make sense to toggle them off because they're usually helpful in delivering and creating your ads pop on different audiences. So keep them on. Coming down, as we put our objective in getting more messages, you can change the message template that Facebook uses right here. When you click on that, when a customer says, "Can I make a purchase?" you can answer with any other option. For example, "Yes, of course, % off." And it will be available for your customers. You can change the greeting message, which is now, "Please let us know how we can help you." Of course, you can put anything you want and save that. The apps that it's using can be Facebook's apps, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. You can toggle them all on to get messages everywhere. And here is one of the most important part of the ad process, which is the audience that you want to target. The audience is on default on Advantage audience, which is based on the page details that you provided for Facebook, and it's going to show your ads to reach people that are going to be interested in your business. But of course, you can change that to people in your local area, or you can create an audience from Advanced, which is the way usually it goes. So for example, you want to only show it to people from 25 to 40, maybe all women, for example. You can change the location. I'm currently in Turkey, so it's based on Turkey now. And you can change the detailed targeting. You can change it based on their interests, their behavior, their demographics, and it could be highly customized. And this way you will be able to target the audience that are mostly related to you. And when you come down, when you are setting your daily budget, you will be able to, instead of going broad and showing it to everyone, show it to a specific group with lower budgets, which would be better when you're just starting out. But of course, if first you are not sure who your target audience is, you can go broader and put the audience on default as Advantage audience. And when you get more information on them, pin down on your target audience and have a better plan for your daily budget. Of course, the rest is quite straightforward: when to start, when to end the ad. And Facebook gives you an estimation on how many accounts will your ads reach, which is here about 4,000 to 10,000, and getting 2 to 8 replies. If this number doesn't make sense to you, of course, you can play with the budget, play with the audience, and reach a number that is aligned with your marketing goals. Of course, this is not something that you can solely rely on. This is just an estimation. It could be higher or lower than this amount. And this is basically how you can create a Facebook ad very easily. You can just publish it, or if you select future days, just schedule the publish, and that's it. There are two other places that I want to show you as well. One of them is the insights part. After you publish your ads, you can see the performance of your ads right here. This is just an example dashboard from long ago. And you can see how well your ad's doing, and maybe you can optimize its performance. The other place that you can go is the audience section, which is right here. This part is a more advanced version of the audience part in the ad creation process. Here you can create a set of audience based off the interactions that people make with your Instagram or Facebook account. For example, when you go to your custom audience, you can say that for any Instagram account, the event could be someone who has just started following this account. You can put a name on it, following our account. And when you create that, it takes some time to populate, of course. It could be up to 3 days. One other way to create more audiences is to create a lookalike audience. For example, based on the audience that they've created right now, which is following our content, here you need to create the audience location, for example, United States. And when you select that, it tells you the estimated reach, which is 2 million people. If I increase that, it would be more broad. For example, if I go to 10%, it would become 28 million. But you should know that if you want to use this audience for your ads, if you go broad, it's the same thing as before. You need to put in more budget to make sure that you are reaching your targets. And that's it for Facebook ads. By following these steps, you can create and launch effective Facebook ad campaigns that drive traffic, generate leads, and increase subscriptions for your Shopify store. After setting up your Facebook ads, the next crucial step is to optimize your campaigns to get to best performance possible. For that, you need to follow a certain set of metrics and make data-driven adjustments. I've already talked about some of these metrics, which were conversion rates and click-through rates in our conversion video. Here I'm going to talk about 3 more important metrics that are very crucial to follow. The first one would be cost per click, or CPC. This is the average amount you pay for each click on your ad. Lower CPCs indicates more efficient spending, and you need to aim to balance your CPC with your budget and conversion goals. The next one would be cost per acquisition, or CPA, sometimes called CAC, or customer acquisition cost. It measures the average cost to acquire a new subscriber or customer. Lowering your CPA while maintaining a steady conversion rate is key to maximizing your return on investment. The last one, but one of the most important metrics, is return on ad spend, or ROAS. This metric shows the revenue generated for every dollar spent on advertisement. ROAS of 4:1, or based on some other resources 3:1, is considered excellent, meaning you earn $3 to $4 for every dollar spent. Once you have a good understanding of your key metrics, it's time to analyze your data, make adjustments, and optimize your performance. Here I'm going to talk about the ways that you can look at your data if your ads are not performing well. One aspect could be your target audience. It could need some refinements. Based on the data gained from your metrics, you can refine the target audience and focus on the area that is driving more revenue. Maybe some groups and demographics are bringing more value, and you can refocus your budget on those areas. You can also track the entire customer journey from ad click to conversion and identify the drop-off points and see where the disengagement is happening. The other aspect to look at is the ad copy itself. You can test different visuals, headlines, and CTAs that resonates with your target audience. The best way to do this is through A/B testing, which is mostly available in these kind of platforms. Compare the performance of each variant based on key metrics to identify the winning elements and apply these into the future ads. Facebook has a dynamic ads section that automatically shows the right product to the right people based on their interest and behavior. The last thing that I'm going to talk about here is scheduling ads, which helps you deliver your ads in the best time possible where users are most active. This ensures that your ads are seen by the right people at the right time, maximizing the performance.